Welcome to today's video where we're diving into one of the most important topics for drivers and pedestrians alike: accident safety and its causes. Road safety affects everyone, whether you're behind the wheel or just crossing the street. Understanding the leading causes of accidents and how to prevent them can make the difference between life and death. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about road accidents, from the most common causes to practical steps you can take to stay safe on the road. By the end, you'll not only have a deeper understanding of road safety, but also practical tips to protect yourself and others. Let's begin by looking at the numbers. Road traffic accidents claim over 1.3 million lives every year, according to the World Health Organization. That's equivalent to losing a life every 24 seconds. In fact, road accidents are the leading cause of death for people aged 5 to 29. While many people think they're excellent drivers, statistics suggest otherwise. Millions of accidents happen annually due to human error, and the majority of these are preventable. So, what are the most common causes and how can we reduce these unnecessary tragedies? There are numerous factors that contribute to accidents, but let's focus on the most common ones. These are responsible for the majority of collisions worldwide. Distracted driving is the #1 cause of road accidents globally. Whether it's texting, talking on the phone, eating, or using in-car technologies, distractions take your focus off the road, even for just a second. In that second, anything can happen. The best advice? Avoid multitasking while driving. If something demands your attention, pull over. Speeding is a leading factor in fatal crashes. The faster you drive, the less time you have to react to hazards, and the more severe the impact when a collision occurs. Always stick to the speed limit, and remember that speed limits are set for ideal conditions. In poor weather or heavy traffic, you should reduce your speed accordingly. Drunk driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs, impairs your judgment, reaction time, and coordination. Even small amounts of alcohol can affect your driving ability. Never get behind the wheel if you've been drinking. Designate a driver, use a ride-share service, or take public transport. It's not worth risking your life or others. Reckless driving, tailgating, weaving through traffic, and aggressive driving are all forms of reckless behavior that significantly increase the likelihood of an accident. Driving is not a competition. Always maintain a safe following distance, use your indicators, and respect other drivers on the road. Weather conditions, rain, snow, fog, and ice can make roads slippery and reduce visibility, leading to more accidents. In bad weather, reduce your speed, turn on your headlights, and maintain a larger distance from the vehicle in front of you. Always adapt your driving to the conditions. While human error is a major contributor to accidents, vehicle condition also plays a significant role. Poorly maintained vehicles can lead to mechanical failures, putting you and others at risk. Brakes. Your car's brakes are its most important safety feature. Warm brake pads or malfunctioning brake systems can cause delays in stopping, leading to accidents. Regularly check and service your brakes to ensure they're in top working condition. Tires. Your tires are the only part of your car that touches the road. Ensure they are properly inflated and have sufficient tread depth. Underinflated or worn tires increase the risk of skidding or losing control, especially in wet conditions. Lights, headlights, brake lights, and turn signals are essential for communication and visibility on the road. If any of your lights aren't working, other drivers might not see you, leading to potential collisions. Always check your lights before starting a journey, particularly at night or in bad weather. Defensive driving is about being aware of potential hazards and acting to avoid them, rather than reacting at the last second. Here are a few key defensive driving techniques that can help keep you safe. Stay focused. This means keeping your full attention on the road and your surroundings. Don't allow distractions like phone calls, adjusting the radio, or talking to passengers to pull your focus from the road. 2. Predict other drivers' actions. Always be aware of the traffic around you and try to predict what other drivers might do. Look out for drivers who are speeding, swerving, or not signaling, and adjust your driving to avoid them. 3. Maintain safe distances. The 3-second rule is a good way to ensure you have enough time to stop if the vehicle in front of you brakes suddenly. In bad weather, increase that to 4 or 5 seconds. Use your mirrors. Regularly check your mirrors and blind spots to be aware of what's happening around you. This is especially important when changing lanes or merging onto highways. Road safety is everyone's responsibility. Whether you're a driver, cyclist, or pedestrian, being aware of the risks and taking preventive measures can significantly reduce the chances of accidents. Remember, driving is a privilege and it comes with great responsibility. By practicing safe driving habits, maintaining your vehicle, and staying alert, you can play a key role in making roads safer for everyone. Let's all work together to reduce the number of accidents and save lives. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more important safety tips. Stay safe on the road.